making a video. Here we are. It's August 11th, 2013. We're at Grandma and Grandpa's. Ben and Lily are playing on the tractor lawnmower. Ben, don't push Lily off. She might fall and get hurt. She wants to sit on your lap, I think, Ben. Ben, can she please sit on your lap and share? Help her. Help her, Ben. Move your hands. Ben, can you help? There you go. No, Ben. Ben's sitting up there now. You guys can take turns. Where are you going? Goodbye. Where are you going, Lily?
I'm going to get the water slide out.
I know you do. We'll get the water slide out later. Lily, I can blow bubbles. I know you do, Ben. We're just going to wait. Around lunchtime, we will. You're being silly. You want to see yourself? What you doing, Lily?
I saw it.
Want me to blow some bubbles?
Huh? Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Bubbles! 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 Some bubbles.
Bubbles?
Yeah!
Bubbles?
Bubbles! It's raining bubbles.
I want this. Ah. Tiny bubbles. Bubbles.
Bubbles?
Want to come out?
Oh, I'm playing a game right now. I gotta teach you guys how to play.
You blow some more bubbles, sweetie?
I need wings. I need wings.
You need a drink? Where's your cup at? Are you thirsty? Do you have a cup inside? Oh, did you eat some soap? Did you eat some bubble soap, you silly girl?
Yeah.